Salmon Sashimi Donburi is a simple Japanese rice bowl topped with marinated raw salmon. It's rich, clean, and buttery in flavor and comes together easily at home with just a few ingredients. For the marinade, add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of mirin to a bowl, then mix until well combined. Before cutting the salmon, we soaked it in rice vinegar for about 5 minutes. This lightly cures the fish, helps firm up the texture, and reduces any fishy odor. After soaking, pat the salmon completely dry so it's not wet or slippery. Then slice it into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Cut the slices into even strips so they're all about the same size, which makes the donburi look neat and helps everything marinate evenly. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Now pour the marinade over the salmon strips, making sure every piece is fully coated. Gently toss or stir so the soy sauce and mirin get into all the little folds and edges of the fish. You want that savory, umami-rich flavor to cling to the salmon without breaking up the delicate texture. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour. This gives the salmon time to soak up the seasoning while staying cold, fresh, and safe to eat. Start with a warm bowl of rice. Arrange the marinated salmon neatly on top of the rice. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and a handful of chopped green onions for crunch and freshness. Then drizzle a couple teaspoons of the leftover marinade over the salmon and rice for extra flavor. This salmon sashimi donburi is so easy to make. It tastes incredibly fresh, clean, and satisfying. You get tender marinated salmon, warm rice, and a light savory sauce with every bite. Try this dish tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.